A few days ago, I was deep in research trying to find a hidden YouTube niche, something low competition but with the potential to go viral. And then, I found it. At first, I couldn't believe my eyes. We'll model a channel in this niche that went live in January this year with a few videos. Yet, it has exploded to over 15 million views. But it didn't stop there. This same channel had already gained over 245,000 subscribers in 3 months. That's almost 250,000 people following them, all from a handful of videos. That's when I knew I had just uncovered a goldmine. The crazy part? Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter if you've never made a video before. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. And if you're watching this video right after I uploaded it, you're ahead of the curve. You can start now, before everyone else jumps in. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but I have proof. In this video, I'll break down exactly how this niche works, how to create content for it, and how you can get started today. Is this niche monetizable? Absolutely, yes. I'll explain why in just a second. But first, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche.
Do you ever wonder how much time you really have left? After 70, every year becomes more precious, and your body is already giving you clues about your future. Some people in their 70s feel strong, sharp, and full of energy, while others slow down, weighed down by health struggles. The difference? It often comes down to a few key signs, subtle but powerful indicators of life.
I hope you're starting to see the potential here. This niche is all about explaining health habits to seniors in a way that's engaging, simple, and easy to understand. The best part? These videos don't have to be long like the channel we are trying to replicate. Just 3 to 5 minutes is enough to capture attention and deliver value. In this video tutorial, we're not going to reinvent the wheel. Instead, we'll take what's already working and replicate it for our new channel. I will show you step by step how to achieve this. First, we'll filter these videos by the most popular. Let's take the top performing video on this channel. It has over 2 million views in less than a month. Now, copy the video link and head over to DupDub, an all-in-one AI content creation tool. We'll use DupDub's smart AI transcription feature to transcribe the video. Click the link in the video description to try this tool for free. Go to DupDub Studio. Click on AI Transcription. Click on New Transcription. Select YouTube since we're transcribing a YouTube video. Paste the video link. Hit the Transcribe button. In just a few seconds, we'll have our full transcription ready. Now, copy the text. Head over to DeepSeek AI and give it this prompt. Please rewrite the text that I'll provide to make it unique, clear, and concise. Use simple, everyday English that's easy to understand. Keep the tone natural and engaging, as if spoken in a conversation. Additionally, adjust the length so that when converted to a voiceover, it's roughly 3 minutes long, about 300-500 words. Depending on speaking pace, avoid complex jargon, avoid bullet points, avoid giving examples, and ensure the rewritten version flows smoothly while retaining the original meaning. Paste the text you copied from DupDub, and just like that, DeepSeek will give you a better copy. Now, to convert this text to a cool voiceover, go back to DupDub Studio. Click on AI Voiceover. Click on New Voiceover. Next, select an AI voice. There are over 700 high-quality voices to choose from. You can filter by language or accent, gender, age, and quality. Expand the Quality tab and select Ultra. You will find lots of naturally sound voices like Antoni, Zarafina, Adam, Apollo, etc. For example, I'll go with Apollo. Let's preview the voice and hear how it sounds.
Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step.
Wonderful. Now, copy the text from DeepSeek AI and paste it into DupDub. Click Generate, and within seconds you'll have a human-like AI voice ready to use. Let's listen to it.
Do you ever wonder how much time you really have left? After 70, every year becomes more precious, and your body is already giving you clues about your future. Some people in their 70s feel strong, sharp, and full of energy, while others slow down, weighed down by health struggles.
Export the voice as an MP3 file to your device. Now, we'll use CapCut to bring our video to life. Open CapCut, import your voiceover, and drag it to the timeline. Set the screen resolution to 16:9, which is the recommended format for long-form YouTube videos. To get visuals like those used in the channel we're modeling, head over to Pixabay.com, where you'll find tons of copyright-free footage. On Pixabay, click on Videos, then type Landscape Videos in the search bar. Pixabay has a vast collection of free landscape videos that we can use. Click on any video you like and download it. Download as many clips as needed, depending on the length of your video. For demonstration purposes, I'll download 5 videos. For background music, you can find copyright-free tracks on YouTube Studio or in the Pixabay Music Library. Click Music. Now, search for calming background music, listen to a few options, and download the ones you like. Now, head back to CapCut. Import the videos and background music you downloaded from Pixabay. Drag the videos onto the timeline and arrange them to match the length of the voiceover. Trim the clips or add more footage if necessary. To create a smooth flow, add transitions between the clips. I prefer using the mix or fold-over transition for a natural look. Next, drag the background music to the timeline and adjust it to fit the video's duration. Reduce the volume to around 16 dB so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. To make the video more engaging, we'll add captions. Click on the Captions tab in CapCut. Choose a template from the available options, and click Generate. Now, to enhance the visuals, apply the clear filter to make the video look smoother. Once everything looks good, click Export. You can export your video in 1080p, 2K, or 4K resolution. I'll export in 1080p. Now, let's check out the final output.
Do you ever wonder how much time you really have left? After 70, every year becomes more precious, and your body is already giving you clues about your future. Some people in their 70s feel strong, sharp, and full of energy, while others slow down, weighed down by health struggles. The difference? It often comes down to a few key signs, subtle but powerful indicators of longevity. In this video, we'll explore 7 signs that reveal how long you might live after 70. These aren't guesses. They're based on real patterns doctors and researchers have seen in people who live long, healthy lives. By the end, you'll know exactly what to watch for in your own health and how to improve your chances of staying strong for years to come. Let's begin. Sign number 1, your walking speed. One of the strongest predictors of longevity isn't hidden in your genes or medical history. It's your walking speed. Studies show that people who keep a steady, brisk pace in their 70s and beyond tend to live longer than those who slow down. Why? because walking speed reflects overall health, muscle strength, heart health, and even brain function. If you're still moving easily, climbing stairs without trouble, and keeping up with others, that's a great sign. But if you've noticed yourself slowing down, feeling unsteady, or needing frequent breaks, it could signal deeper issues like muscle loss or poor.
Amazing, right? Special recognition goes to DupDub for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the video description to try it for free. So now you know exactly how to make videos for this brand new, low competition niche. But knowing isn't enough. Taking action is what makes the difference. If you follow this process and stay consistent for the next 30 days, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Success isn't about luck. It's about showing up, putting in the work, and staying ahead of the curve. So, are you ready to make this happen? The opportunity is right in front of you. Don't wait. Wishing you the best of luck, and I can't wait to see your success.